Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Evening tea time is always great for nice hot crispy snacks. Today I'm going to share a very interesting and special recipe. We are going to make street style betel leaf bajjis. These are very special and very popular in Andhra. So let's get started and check it out. I've got some fresh betel leaves here for this recipe. First we need to remove the thick stalk from each leaf. I'm using scissors to gently trim the stalk. Prepare all the leaves this way and keep them ready on a plate. Now let's make the bajji batter. In a mixing bowl, take 2 cups of besan or gram flour. To this, add a 1/4 cup of rice flour, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/2 teaspoon of Ajwain. Gently crush the Carom seeds, that is the Ajwain, with your palms before adding it. Now add a pinch of baking soda at the end and combine everything well. Next, gradually add water little at a time and mix it into a smooth batter. The consistency should be just right. It shouldn't be too thick or too runny, just enough to coat the leaves evenly. Once the batter is ready, dip each prepared betel leaf into the batter. Make sure to coat it well on both sides and gently slide it into the hot oil. Don't overcrowd the kadai. Fry 3 or 4 at a time depending on the size of the betel leaves. If the betel leaves are large, the bajjis will also be big. So make sure you leave enough space while frying them so that they cook well inside and out. Fry them on medium flame. Flip occasionally until they turn to a nice beautiful golden brown color on all sides. So once done, drain the bajjis on a paper towel and serve them nice and hot. That's the best way to enjoy their full flavor and crunch. And there you go, here is our crispy and tasty betel leaf bajjis or fritters that's ready to be served. You can enjoy these crispy bajjis with some nice chutney or ketchup by the side. They make for a perfect evening tea time snack. So we've made these absolutely delicious and crispy betel leaf bajjis and I can't wait to enjoy them. Wow. It's so crispy and so tasty. Perfect tea time snack. So if you guys are looking to make something interesting for your tea time snack, try these delicious and crispy betel leaf bajjis. They're absolutely fabulous and everybody will love them. Do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.